guys, Sam from Sam Tech, and I'm going to be showing you how to install Zoom on your computer. So this will be applied to Windows 10, macOS and Linux. I'll be using macOS, but before we continue, all the pins are my own. I pay for the system, programs, with my own funds. Zoom is not sponsoring me for this video. I haven't paid for anything for Zoom, given no details. Anyway, I can't give my details online. But let's continue and I'll show you how to install Zoom.
Alright, so I'm on my computer now. So what I need to do is go to the dock. And when you get to the dock, open your web browser. In my case, I'm using the Brave web browser. But in your case, it might be Safari or Google Chrome or something else. So let's wait for this to load in. Alright, so now it's loaded in. Let's type in Zoom download. Alright, now download Zoom. Now, since I'm using an Apple computer, it's detected I'm using macOS. And there's also Microsoft Office plugin. And there's also add-ons for your web browser and so forth. What I'm going to do is download with Apple Silicon because that's what I have. But if you have an old Intel version, you hit download there. Now, just save it to where you want to save. For me, download. Now it's downloading a Zoom PKG file or package file. So if I just find the file and open it, you're going to get the Zoom installer. Now it's going to get you to accept the privacy terms and conditions, so hit continue. Now select install for all users. That means if you've got another user, let's say you share the family computer, they have their own user with their own login and content, but still the same app across every user. So continue. Now select install unless you want a different location. So I'm going to hit install. Now it's going to ask me for my root password, admin password. Now it's going to install the program. Now you got a chime saying it's done. So I'm going to hit close. Oh, and it's detected it's installed, so it says I can move the installation file to the bin. So I'm going to hit move to the bin. Then I'm going to hit done because it says installation was successful. Oh, now Zoom's open. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into system preferences. Then I'm going to go to notifications. This is enabling Zoom notifications. Zoom, enable them. I'm going to enable alerts. That means they get fully notified. Now I can close settings. And what I'm going to do is hit sign in. And you can sign in with your Zoom email address and password. You can do like Facebook or your Google account. So I'm going to select Google. That's what I have. Now I selected my Google account. And if it doesn't open automatically, you can hit launch Zoom. Alright. So that was pretty straightforward. Zoom's now installed and you're ready to use it if you want.
So that's how you install Zoom on a computer. Pretty straightforward, does everything you want. It's free to set up and install. There are paid functions, but they're optional if you want. Anyway, I'm Sam. Thank you for watching.